Hi, my goal today is to show you how to put money in your pocket by using a pro account from TaxNet to do some prospecting. Now I just pulled up Fannin County on my screen and I'm going to show you all the different ways that you can search for property, mainly concentrating on these pro search options. As you see, you can locate properties by zip code and do a mailing. You could select a city, the city of Bailey or Bonham or any city that's located within the county. You could do it by the school district. You could do it by a neighborhood code, which is another efficient way to zero in on a group of people. You can do it by the year something was built. Maybe your company likes it when you write policies on homes that are only 10 years old or younger. You could do it based on the land area that the home sits on. Maybe you specialize in farm and ranch policies. You could do it based on the market value or appraised value. Maybe you like to write policies on homes valued between $100,000 and $250,000. You could do it based on deed dates. We're going to concentrate today on that deed date function, and I'm going to choose deed dates between February and March, and I'm going to look for all the properties in Fannin County that meet that description. Now I chose that particular date simply because it is January when I'm making this video. So these are people whose homeowners policies are coming up for renewal. In other words, they're people who are ready to buy right now. And as you see, 3,594 records came up. As we look at some of these records, though, we notice things like the North Texas Municipal Water District. We don't want to waste our time or our money sending a mailer to someone who is not a legitimate prospect. So let's narrow this list down a little bit more. I'm going to go through here and see, gee, what can I do that would give me a more detailed list? Oh, well, here's something. I can choose single family homes. So I only want to see single family homes that are located in Fannin County that have a deed date between February and March. Now I just could have easily have said, show me only mobile homes or only commercial structures or only multifamily homes. But I chose single family homes. So now I'm going to narrow that search down further to get a more detailed list. And up comes 1,199 records. Now that's still a pretty good size sample, and I don't know if I want to do that many mailings. So I'm going to go ahead and try to further narrow this list down further. And I'm going to say, well, I only want to see people who are homeowners. I don't want to waste my money sending out a mailer to someone who's just a renter because they're not going to buy homeowners insurance from me. So now let's narrow that list down further. And as you can see, it comes up with 716 properties that meet that criteria. Now I could just go ahead and download these results, but I'm going to go ahead and further narrow these searches down. Now ideally you would do all this up front. My purpose here is to show you all the different ways you can use this tool and how to further refine a search. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to say, you know what, show me only people who are over the age of 65 that are homeowners that have a single family home in Fannin County with a deed date between February and March. And up comes 250 properties. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and I would download that list of 250 properties. It'll go into an Excel spreadsheet so I can produce a mailing and I could further manipulate this list if I wanted to. The reason I chose over 65, this is an efficient way to use my money. I know that there's a pretty good chance these people are home in the day because they're retired. So I could do a combination mail call campaign. I hope this little tutorial has helped show you how you could put together an efficient mail campaign to further your business. Now there's no excuse. Get after it and good luck.